On behalf of Maharaja Agrasen Institute of Technology, I, Himanshi, with Parigya, extend a very warm welcome to Mrs. Sangeeta Gupta ma'am, Mrs. Anjali Garg ma'am, Honorable Director of MAID Dr. C.S. Sharma, trustees, respected teachers, and all my fellow students. Let's begin this day with traditional lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati. For this, I'd like to request all the dignitaries to please come up on the stage and light the lamp.
Shall I say one thing? That the freshers' welcome can be taken as, say, first day of the rest of the life. First day of the rest of the life. First day of the rest of professional life, because this is a professional course. You all have joined here, I am sure, with great hopes, with aspirations, with certain targets in mind. I am also sure that you must have set certain aspirations in your mind, what you would like to be. If I ask you what you would like to be, maybe you may begin with writing certain goals. Goal number 1, goal number 2, goal number 3. And as you proceed with the idea of setting up the goals, maybe you switch on to the process of setting up your habits. Oh, my goal. In fact, whatever we are and whatever we want to be, that all will be the result of the choices that we exercise. Choice of attending the class, not attending the class. Choice of taking Pepsi or Coke. Choice of being present here or not. Choice of writing the examination or not. Choice of choosing MBA over other courses. Choice of discussing what you want to discuss. Choice of not discussing what you do not want to discuss. Every minute, every second, we are only exercising choice. And it is this exercising of choice that defines who we are, who will be, who we will be. The total attribution of the life goes around exercising the choice. And are we free for exercising choice? Certain choices we exercise because we belong to a certain culture. My dear friends, I am speaking of choice to drive home one message. What you will take away from this institution, or what you will be after 2 years from here, when you leave here, that will depend on what kind of choices you exercise over these 2 years. And these 2 years plus 3 more years of work will define how you will function in the rest of your life. So, my dear friends, you as professionals, you as aspirants of future professional life, future successful professional life, you might choose to give some of your choices so that you may develop a sense of respect for the experience which will be shared with you inside and outside the classroom during these 2 years of your stay. If you are then able to exercise your choice productively on one hand and surrender some of your choices productively towards us, I am very sure that you will be better professionals than the professionals being produced in other institutions of this country. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for reminding us that life is all about choices. I'm sure that under your guidance, our freshers are going to make the right choices and make the most of their life. Now, I would like to request Mrs. Sangeeta Gupta ma'am to please come up and say a few words. Let's welcome her with a huge round of applause.
Namaskar. Hello friends. I welcome you all to this new institute, to your institution mates. This is your day and you have come here with an intent to achieve something in your life. I am very sure that you all filled with excitement about your new journey. Enjoy what you are doing and it will make your work effortless. Ask yourself what makes you happy and do that. I want to tell you that in your classroom, make a bonding relationship with your teachers. Take as much as you can from them, inside the class and outside the class. Best wishes for your career. एक अच्छे नागरिक और भारतवासी बनो.
Thank you once again, ma'am. Now, may I request Anjali Garg ma'am to speak for our freshers today.
Hello students and my dear teachers. I feel honored to be here in between you. Welcome you all on the behalf of your college mates. This is the best phase and path to look forward for future. I wish you all the best of luck to go ahead with a great future in coming life. Make a best choice and fulfill your dreams. Born wise. Last but not least, I remember beautiful lines said by Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan. राह पकड़ ले एक चलाचल मिल जाएगी मंजिल. Thank you.
Ma'am, we can't thank you enough for your consistent support that you extend by being with us at all times, and your wishes are going to go a long way in making our journey better. We again thank you, ma'am. Now, we unleash the rainbow of cultural extravaganza by welcoming Bharat and Rahul.
तो यार मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं अपना पास देखूँ एक बार दोबारा. कुछ हो सकता है ऐसा कुछ?
हाँ, रिकैप है, हमारे सीनियर्स लेके आए हैं.
तो यार फिर तो फ्यूचर भी दिखवा दे.
फ्यूचर बात करनी पड़ेगी.
करके देख यार, मेरा तो बहुत मन है.
तो गाइस, नाउ वी वेलकम द महाराजास एंड महारानीज ऑफ MBA सेकंड ईयर, showing you the journey of college.
Drop top and playing our favorite CDs, pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop now. Oh, 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 oh.
बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, गाना चला तो, गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो, गाना चला तो, गाना चला तो, डीजे वाले मेरा गाना चला तो, थोड़ी चला तो
ले
बाबा जी की बूटी, बाबा जी की बूटी, बाबा जी की बूटी, बाबा जी की बूटी, जो भरी चिलम बने हम हीरो लाइफ, लगे फिल्म समस्या जीरो, की गंदी हरकत ऊपर वाले की बरकत, बाबा जी की बूटी, बाबा जी की बूटी, अधूरी सांस थी, धड़कन अधूरी थी, अधूरे हम, मगर अब चांद पूरा है फलक पे और अब पूरे हैं हम।
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see the world you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
शूटिंग गाय
देख रहा है आज
एक बार और,
कल हाथ सेकेगा, आज ढील छोड़ रहा है, कल खुद ही रोकेगा। आज मेरी लिए चैन खींच रहा है, कल मेरी स्टाइल खींचेगा। अक्कड़ पक्कड़ दंगल पाए, किसी ने देखा नहीं सो आदम जो मैं 200 गम हो इंजन।
फिर क्यों मैं तू कर रहे तू मारो दारो
Feeling blue, feeling blue, feeling blue. My heart says can't be true. Oh, we can't be true. My heart says can't be true. We can't be.
जाने क्या चाहे मन बावरा, जाने क्या चाहे मन बावरा, अखियन मेरे सावन चढ़ा, अखियन मेरे सावन चढ़ा। जाने क्या चाहे मन बावरा, जाने क्या चाहे मन बावरा, अखियन मेरे सावन चढ़ा, अखियन मेरे सावन चढ़ा।
Feeling
जही छड़ के मैं तो जिद लिया सी पल्ले अट के तेरी दे मूरे हाड़े कट के सुने आए सिरों ने ले ली एक टाइम वाली रोटी जही छड़ के रब्बा एडा बड़ा फासला तो साडे विच था ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जिमीदार किथों लै के दे बेकार ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जिमीदार किथों लै के दे बेकार ओह डैडी जी दे कैश उत्ते करी जावे ऐश साडा बापू जिमीदार किथों लै के दे बेकार
हेलो। तो राहुल, सीनियर्स ने तो दिखा दिया अपना दम खम, लेकिन हमारे जूनियर्स भी नहीं है किसी से कम।
यही डूबे दिन मेरे
एक कटन मत पकड़ो भैया।
है सवेरे यही मरना और जीना
क्लैप गाइस, क्लैपिंग।
यही मंदिर और मदीना तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे गलियां तेरी गलियां कोठे उत्ते बैठे
Guys, you can clap with them.
ना जाना मुझे कभी छोड़ तेरे उत्ते मरदी प्यार तेनू कर दी मिलेगी तुझे ना कोई और
तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के तू भी आ सबको छोड़ के मेरी अखियां जो मंजूर उड़ गए अखियां जो मंजूर उड़ गए
सुंझिया दिल दिया गलियां सुंझिया मेरी आवाज़ तू जो रहता नाल तो मेरे तुर पया मेरी आसाह
तेरे बिना तेरे बिना हाय किवें करां तेरे बिना हाय किवें करां दूर उदासी दिल बेकरार मेरा मैं करां इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी
जान मेरी
तू ही मेरी आवारगी तू ही दुआ हर शाम की राती में जलावा दिया हंजुआनु तेल दा
राती में जलावा दिया हंजुआ दे तेल दा आयो रब्बा सजना नू छेती क्यों नहीं मेलदा सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे सजना तेरे बिना सजना तेरे बिना सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे सानू एक पल चैन ना आवे सजना तेरे बिना सजना तेरे बिना दिल कमला डूब डूब जावे दिल कमला डूब डूब जावे सजना तेरे बिना सजना तेरे बिना, सजना तेरे बिना।
अरे बस करो वो। जरूर जरूर जरूर।
जैसी क्या हो गया तुझे?
क्या हो गया मतलब?
अभी तक डांस कर रही है तू?
हाँ तुम यहाँ डांस ही तो करने आए हैं।
लो सुन लो इसकी बात, हम यहाँ डांस करने आए हैं।
हाँ।
या मिस्टर एंड मिस फ्रेशर्स का इवेंट स्टार्ट करना है, तुझे डांस की लगी है अपने?
पहले ये बताओ मेरा डांस कैसा था?
फ्लॉप।
बस इतना ही अच्छा था? बस थोड़ा सा तो दो यार, हमने इतनी मेहनत की।
कर दो तारीफ, वरना पीछे पड़ी रहेगी।
बजा दो यार, जोर से तालियां हो जाए एक बार।
और जोर से।
Okay, with this we begin with the first round, and I would like to welcome our former Miss Fresher, Parigya Gupta.
And our former Mr. Fresher, Bharat Sapra.
back like she loves something. Bring it back like she loves something. In the club with the lights off, what you acting shy for? Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing now, you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you acting shy for?
Just give me you, just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if what they say is true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up, I'm waiting out front. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, I love your style. Show me what you got now, come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it.
वाह भाई वाह, छा गए तुम लोग तो।
Oh wow, तालियां हो जाए, जोरदार तालियां मिलके। हाँ जी भी, अब बहुत हो गई वॉक, थोड़ी सी कर ले टॉक, कर ले? Okay जी, we'll begin with the introduction session. Every candidate will get only 30 seconds. If you exceed 30 seconds, you'll be eliminated there and then. Fine? Let's begin with that. First pair.
Hello everyone, myself Priyanka Thakur. I am talking about myself. I am an exuberant. I am very happy-go-lucky, lively, cheerful, and yes, I love traveling. I'm a wanderess. So basically, I am a happy-go-lucky person. So this is me. That'll be all. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nakul Arora. By Nakul, I don't mean my father's name is Pandu or my mother's name is Kunti. My mother's name is Ritu and my father's name is Rajiv. Since I am the only child, so Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun and Sehdev will not be accompanying us. And I am a bachelor, so I am not married to any Draupadi. I just came here for your wishes as I am going for a war with my cousins Kauravas. Just wish me luck. It's a Kurukshetra war. Thank you all.
Now the second couple.
Hello everyone. I'll keep it short and simple, just like me. I'm Surabhi Srivastava from MBA 1B, and I love to travel a lot, and I love to meet new people and share their experiences of life, and I love to party and I love music. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Tej Pratap Singh Gunna, and just like my name, I stand tall and proud. I am the right blend of extrovert and introvert. So if I call your name with respect, that is because I respect you for being there for me. And I am very friendly with everyone and I'm very open to talks. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone. Are you guys having fun? Okay, this is Nishtha Nagpal here, and I pursued BCom Honors and I'm here to pursue MBA, and I'm very blessed to be here. And I love eating food. I know it doesn't look like, but yes, I do. And I strongly believe in living in the present moment. And guys, please enjoy. This is the first and the last pressures of our life. Thank you.
मेरे Karan Arjun आएंगे.
Well, Arjun तो आया नहीं, but Karan आ गया. Good morning everyone. This is Karan Garg, अपनी मम्मी पापा का इकलौता बेटा, and I am from our own Sati, Delhi. And my only goal is to speak English, kiss French, drive German, earn in Arabs, and spend Caribbean. Thank you. Enjoy all. Keep rocking, man.
Good morning judges, my dear friends and my respected teachers. Myself Swati, and I believe in being different, and that's why I'm here participating and taking initiative. And my please guys, thank you.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you my all senior which organized the orientation for us. Thank you bro. and our seniors. Myself Rahul Gupta. I did BBA in Banking Insurance in specialization from NCDB MIT, which is affiliated by Indraprasth University. My hobbies are watching movies and playing cricket. I put up in Shakurpur nearby NSP. I would like to share few things about my graduation. In my graduation, I
वाह भाई आप में बहुत टैलेंट है.
Hello everyone, I want to tell you a secret about a person who is very kind, very cute. She's sure for her decisions, she knows her responsibility, and most important, she has a very good sense of humor. This is all about me, Urvashi Arora, who is standing in front of you. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'll not introduce myself, but a great personality, a future manager. He sings, he dances, he plays guitar, he mimics. And उसके आने से उड़ जाते हैं सबके चैन. The name is Mr. Harsh Jain. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all my dignitaries and my dear friends. My name is Khushbu Singh. I'm from MBA 1B. At the last, I would say that you choose your ego, you choose to be right, you choose to fight back, you choose to take away from the other. But I choose to be a brave, no regret, I choose to be myself. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Himanshu Garg. I have done my schooling and graduation from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I am very open-minded person. Love to make friends, especially girlfriends. Not girlfriends, especially girl as a friend. My concept of life is to enjoy every day of the life, as this is my last day of the life. Before going, I want to say one quote. जिंदगी कम है दोस्तों, दोस्त बनाते चलो, हाथ मिलाते चलो. ताजमहल बनाना तो बहुत महंगा है, इसलिए हर एक गली में मुमताज बनाते चलो. Thank you.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jigyasa, and as a person, I find myself ambitious, a good learner, and a positive thinker. And I feel so grateful to be a part of this such a renowned college and such a great faculty. Thank you so much.
Respected teachers, और मेरे यारो कैसे हो सालो? So about myself, I'm a Sagittarius by birth. I'm a fun-loving person. I'm also a very good basketball player. I was elected the cultural secretary in my college, and you can say I'm a responsible person. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Konika Rastogi. I've done my BTech from JFS, and my recent major achievement was I won the first prize in website development using Joomla, and I love gymming and photography. Thank you.
Shit man, intro देना पड़ेगा. धक 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 धक. I am Kumar Gaurav. Hi friends. नहीं हो जाएगा भाई, कोई नहीं. I complete my graduation in Bachelor of Business Economics from.
शादी की रिश्ते की बात नहीं करनी हमने. Keep it short, keep it short. Complete it, keep it short. बोले.
एक लाइन बोलना चाहूँगा. सपने वो नहीं होते जो सोते हुए देखे जाएं. सपने वो होते हैं जो रात को सोने ना दें. Bye, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Hello everyone, myself Chanchal. Welcome to our wonderful fresher party of our college. I'm from MBA Percy, and I would also say that I'm a bubbly and chirpy girl. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I am Jayant Khurana. I am a sporty kind of person. I love to play table tennis, football, and love to dance. And that's it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. मेरा नाम निखिल भाटिया, उम्र 23 साल, जुर्म MBA, सजा 2 साल. मुझे रोज 6 घंटे के लिए कठोर परिश्रम करना पड़ता है, जिसके बीच सिर्फ आधे घंटे का विश्राम मिलता है, और इन सब में मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और मैं इससे पहले 3 साल की सज़ा काट के आया हूँ MIT यूनिवर्सिटी में BBA. और मेरे को सपना देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, और उनको पूरी करने के लिए मैं पूरी मेहनत करता हूँ, क्योंकि मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. अरे पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. थैंक यू.
Good afternoon everyone.
My name is Prashant Saxena and I'm a Bachelor of Technology from Amity University. 4th June 1993. It's not my birthday. It's just a random date I'm saying to grab your attention. I like participating in business competitions such as business plans, and I've won exactly the same number of times Rahul Dravid has taken test wickets, that is once. I'd like to say I'd want to strive to do my best here. Thank you.
मुझसे नफरत करनी है तो जरा संभल कर करना, जरा सी चूक हुई तो मोहब्बत हो जाएगी. Namaskar teachers, directors and my dear friends. My name is Nikhil Tiwari and I belong to a very religious place, Allahabad, where 3 holy rivers meet. I have done my graduation in hotel management and catering technology from BBN IIM Lucknow, and I am carrying 2 years experience in hotel management, and playing chess, reading books based on spirituality are some of my hobbies. I am a voice without a form written by Swami Vivekananda is my best book. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys, thank you so much. कितना confidence, मुझे लग रहा है बहुत tough competition है. Competition है कि नहीं? अरे, है, मुझे तो बहुत दिख रहा है. एक बारी बजा दो जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए.
यार मुझे तो बड़ा तगड़ा कंपटीशन दिखा है इनमें.
मुझे भी पता नहीं इनको क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है. हम अपने नेक्स्ट राउंड की तरफ तभी बढ़ेंगे जब हमारे सीनियर्स इनको लीड करते हुए बैक स्टेज की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर हर्षवर्धन एंड हिमांशी राजेंद्र.
गाइस विजेताओं के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Can we have the music please? Yes.
Congratulations, both of you. How do you feel? Ma'am asked me, how are you feeling right now? So listen to this answer, please. Very thank you to all, that you were so supportive. Secondly, I would like to thank my partner who was there in the roundup with me, my singer. Then ma'am asked me a question. This was the only question that was asked by my fellow contestants backstage. And they were like, just prepare your speech like, oh my god, I'm just feeling so excited, so happy and everything, you should cry. And I'm like, okay fine, I'll just do like this. I'm feeling so happy and I'm Miss Universe now. Thank you so much for your support, guys. One more question. Loud round of applause, please. Once again, big round of applause for both of them. Congratulations. First of all, thank you.